Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Google Pixel 4a is another reportedly delayed until October. So, this is another bad news. So, the Google Pixel 3a and 3X launched last year on May 7. We have been eagerly waiting for the Pixel 4a to arrive this year, with the rumors initially suggest that the Google was going to announce it during the Google I/O. That event was cancelled due to the pandemic, and the phone keep getting further delayed. Photo of the phone retail packaging leaked back in early April, and I also make a video, and we are already more than 2 months since then. The last report come to John Prosser, a YouTuber, via Twitter. According to the Tipstar, the Google Pixel 4a has been again delayed after the phone was expected to be announced sometime in July and released in August. Prosser report there will still be a launch event taking place on July 13, but has a source show that black variant won't launch until October 22. At the same time, a new barely blue color option is being eliminated altogether. So as you can see, this is the John Prosser tweet, and the released date in October sounds like the Pixel 4a could launch around the same time as the Pixel 5 as announced. Prosser has previously reported that the Google Pixel 4a device is ready to go, but late having been piling up due to market condition. Surely the coronavirus has affected many industry and people willingest to spend. Perhaps Google want to wait until consumers are ready to buy a new mid-range smartphone. We can speculate that the Google's might even rebrand the Pixel 4a as the Pixel 5a. Why would Google eliminate a barely blue option? Why is Google sitting on completed Pixel 4a units? Could it be that Google would rather launch the Pixel 4a closer to holidays season? At this point, there are more questions that answer. Prosser has had accuracy in other Samsung and Apple rumors, but the creationally of the market makes it more difficult to predict Google's moves. The Pixel 4a is expected to arrive with a 64 gigs of internal storage and running a Snapdragon 730 CPU and 6 gigs of RAM. It's got 5.81-inch OLED screen with a FHD plus resolution and 12.2 megapixel single main camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera in the punch hole cutout. So let's see in upcoming days. Also, the battery of this smartphone is 3080 mAh and 3.5mm headphone jack as well. And let's see in upcoming days what the Pixel 4a will launch in October or not. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.